welcome back to Delightfully Amazing. My name is Kim, and for today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I created my first vision board ever. This is my vision board. I'm not sure if you can see it, but what is a vision board and why do we need one in 2019? A vision board is obviously a board with all of the images and words that represent all your dreams and wishes in life. And some would call it a dream board, but I've actually discovered it as a vision board when I watched one of Lavender's video. I'll put the link down below for you to check it out. But basically, a vision board serves as your inspiration, serves as your motivation, because it helps you visualize your future. It helps you visualize whatever it is that you want in your life. And I know some would say,
the vision board, kasi na siya o paper or it doesn't make sense na since I would anak kas ra ka effort mo.
Yeah, I know some would say that one, and what I can say is that don't ever underestimate the power of visualization, because a lot of successful people right now actually use visualization in their journey. And one of the reasons why visualization is very powerful is because it helps you overcome your fear and build your self-confidence. The reason behind that is because studies shows that our brain can actually differentiate between an imagined memory and a real memory. So that means that if you always look at the things that help you visualize your future or visualize your dream, it actually tricks your mind, or it actually believes that what it is seeing is your reality, or what it is saying is something that is already happening in the now. So in that way, it helps you overcome your fear and build your self-confidence by making the unknown known. So that's it. I'll provide more reasons why you should have a vision board this year. But for the meantime, guys, let's jump into my video. So the materials I use for this are illustration board, magazines, scissors, glue, cellophane cover, and scotch tape. Since I only had one old magazine, I tried searching for pictures and words in Pinterest. And remember guys, that your vision board should have goals and dreams that you want to invite in your life. So I kinda took my time, a lot of time, looking for images that best describe my goals this 2018. By the way guys, visualization tells your mind on what to focus, so you really get to prioritize and think thoroughly unsa jud imong ganahan nga ma-achieve this year. It is important to tell our mind what our goals and main focus are, because it trains or helps our mind in molding them or our dreams into our reality. So here's another benefit of visualization. Visualization helps you override your limiting belief. I know all of us have these kinds of beliefs like, I don't think my dreams are achievable, or I don't think I deserve such things. But the technique daw ana to fight those kind of beliefs is to visualize yourself achieving those impossible dreams that you're talking about. And so that's where the vision board comes in. It's a great tool to visualize your goals and dreams, and it actually helps you make them your reality. And now, after printing and cutting the images and words, I began arranging those images into my illustration board. So as you can see, I put the words choose kindness in the middle because that's my theme for this year. I want to choose kindness for myself and for the people around me this year. I want to be kind to myself, let myself enjoy and explore the kind of life that I want, pursue my dreams and my own happiness, because I felt like now's the time for me to choose me after everything. I want to take care of myself, love myself even more, and I want to stop caring of what other people say about me. Because I believe that only after I learn to be kind to myself, only after I learn to love myself, that I will be able to be truly kind and compassionate to the people around me. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but that's my theme for this year. I want to give you a quick overview of my goals this 2019. First is financial freedom through probably own business and forex trading. I want to be able to build my emergency fund this year because I am quite a sickly person. I don't know, I just feel like I need to have an emergency fund just in case I get hospitalized or something. Second is I want to grow my YouTube channel and blog this year. So guys, if you are still with me or if you are still watching this video, can you please help me by clicking on the subscribe button below and sharing my content? I will also provide my blog link in the comment section below, but pretty please, I would really appreciate your support for this. Third is I want to be a motivational speaker. This really started when I was still working as a team lead in my previous company, and I always look forward to those days when I had to talk to our new employees and motivate them through my success stories in the company. I really love those days. And another dream of mine this year is to travel. I want to do a lot of traveling this year. I want to go to South Korea, Bacolod, Taiwan, actually a lot, Paris, but I think Paris is still impossible for me this year. But anyway, another one is I want to actually start writing my own book, and hopefully I can. And lastly, I want to help in renovating our little house this year because I want it to be my gift to my family before I actually settle down, hopefully. And ta-da! My vision board is now ready for me to look at every single moment that I needed to keep motivated and inspired. I know my goals are kind of big this year, and others might say I am insane for thinking or for dreaming such impossible things, but who knows, I might surprise you guys, so let's see. I'm crossing my fingers. That's how I created my first vision board ever. I encourage you guys to create one and tag me on Facebook and Instagram. My name goes Delightfully Amazing, and let's go achieve our goals this 2019. And by the way, before I forgot, I actually made a video on how to achieve or how to make 2019 our year. I'll put the link down below para ma-check ninyo. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button below. And that's it. See you soon. Bye-bye.